In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Livescore app on Android. We'll keep this simple and reliable by using the Google Play Store, which is the safest place to get Android apps. Start by unlocking your phone and opening the Google Play Store. You'll typically find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in the store, tap the search bar at the top. Type the word Livescore exactly like that, and then pause for a moment while the results load. From the search results, look for the official app named Livescore, Live Sports Scores. It's published by Livescore Limited. Checking the developer name is a good way to make sure you're getting the genuine app and not a lookalike. When you've found the correct listing, tap it to open the app page. Here you can quickly scan the description, ratings, and recent updates if you like, which can help you understand what's new and confirm it's actively maintained. Now tap Install. Your phone will begin downloading the app. The time this takes depends on your internet connection and available storage. If it seems to take a while, that's normal on slower networks. You'll see a progress indicator so you know it's working. Once the download and installation finish, the button will change to Open. Go ahead and tap Open to launch the app right away. You'll also find a shortcut added to your home screen or app drawer for future use. After it opens, you're ready to explore what Livescore offers. The app is designed to keep you on top of the action in real time. You can follow live football scores as matches unfold, so you always know the current scoreline without needing a stream. If you like timely updates, the app supports match notifications, letting you stay informed about kickoffs, goals, and full-time results for teams and competitions you care about. It also provides fixtures, so you can see what's coming up later today or later in the week, and results, so you can quickly check how earlier games ended. Beyond football, Livescore covers multiple sports, including tennis, basketball, and cricket, so it's a handy hub if you follow more than one league or tournament. That's all there is to it. By using the Google Play Store and selecting Livescore Live Sports Scores by Livescore Limited, you'll have the official app installed with the latest features and updates. Enjoy tracking matches, setting notifications that fit your preferences, and keeping an eye on fixtures and results across your favorite sports. Thanks for watching and enjoy the game.